In today's class, we are going to discuss advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. First, let us discuss some of the advantages of e-commerce. Faster buying selling procedure as well as easy to find products. Because of online and interactive nature, it has become easy and faster to perform the transactions online. Starting from asking for a quotation up to payment of the product. All the transactions have been automated. There is no waiting time. Transactions can be performed at any time. And it is also easy to find products as the customer need not travel and visit the store in person. By visiting various online stores, the required product can be searched. On all these online stores, you can search for the products based on the gender, age group, price, occasions, type of the product. So it becomes easy to search for the required product. Buying and selling 24/7. Online stores are open always for the business, so you can perform the transaction at any time as per your convenience. In the similar way, in e-commerce, there is no theoretical geographic limitation. Because of this, more number of customers can be reached. Online vendors can sell the products to customers around the world. Low operational costs and better quality of services. Compared to retail store, business expenses are much lower in case of online business, as there are no employees or fewer employees required. Expenses such as rent, payroll, electricity expenses are not incurred in case of online business. So the operational costs becomes low in case of e-commerce. Because of e-commerce, the companies have improved the level of service they provide to customers by providing the required information at their fingertips, reducing processing errors, reduced response time, and lowered cost of service. No need of physical company setups. Without the physical store, the business can be conducted online. It's easy to start and manage a business online. You can start and run an e-commerce business all by yourself. Customers can easily select products from different providers without moving around physically. Customer need not travel to the physical store in person. By visiting e-commerce websites, the required product can be purchased. So it saves time as well as the traveling expenses. Gain new customers with search engine visibility. Most of the times, we, the customers, while purchasing the products online, instead of going directly to online store, we go to search engine to search for the product, and we prefer to visit the topmost websites which are listed by these search engines. So online vendors should take care that their e-commerce website will be listed in the topmost list of the search engine's results, so that the visibility of their site will increase and more number of customers can visit their website for purchasing the products. This is how, by using search engine visibility or search engine optimization technique, the more number of customers can be gained. E-commerce provides abundant information. There is no restriction on the amount of information which can be displayed on an online store about a product. In a very attractive way, the complete information about the product can be displayed, such as the features of the product, different sizes available, different colors available. If required, some video clips to demonstrate how the products should be used, and also the images of the product in different angles, so that it becomes easy for the customer to purchase the product. In e-commerce, as all the transactions are automated and are performed online, there is less paperwork involved. Middlemen disappear. Any two persons can perform business. They need not belong to any business organization. For example, we can sell the products on auction sites such as OLX without involvement of a third person. E-commerce gives us the facility to do the payments online. Different methods like the mobile wallets, debit cards, credit cards, internet banking can be used to do the online payments. So because of all such advantages, we see that online business are growing day by day. Even after having these advantages, we do have some disadvantages also which affect online business. Let us discuss some of them. Anyone, good or bad, can easily start a business, and there are many bad sites which eat up customers' money. There is no guarantee of product quality. Many times we experience that the product what is shown on online store may not be the same which we have received. The quality of product cannot be assessed. Mechanical failures can cause unpredictable effects on the total processes. There can be site crash, failure of payment gateways, and due to other technical reasons, it affects online business. In e-commerce, as there is minimum chance of direct customer to company interactions, customer loyalty is always on a check. It is difficult for online vendors to retain their customers, but this can be overcome by providing the best service and the product at the first order, so that the customer will continue purchasing the products in future. Relationship with the customers can be increased by giving discounts and offers. To keep customer engaged with your online store, online vendor can encourage customer to subscribe or to register by giving discount coupons. By using these customer details, the notifications about the upcoming products can be sent to the customers, and thus the customers can be retained. There are many hackers who look for opportunities, and thus an e-commerce site, service, payment gateways, all are always prone to attack. This is an important demerit which affects online business. Many goods cannot be purchased online. The products which are very expensive and the products whose quality cannot be assessed online by seeing the images which are available on online store are not purchased online. For example, many of the customers prefer purchasing clothes offline. Unless we hold it or touch it, we cannot assess the quality of the material. The colors and quality shown on online store is sometimes different than in the reality. So such products cannot be purchased online.